By 2030, we will talk to AI, upload our thoughts, and live beside digital humans. The question is, are we ready? The next decade won't just change technology. It will change what it means to be human. From brain-computer interfaces to digital humans and AI companions, the line between tech and life is disappearing. This isn't science fiction. It's the near future. Let's explore the 5 technologies shaping our shared future and what they will mean for humanity. 1. Neuralink and mind-machine tech. Imagine controlling a computer just by thinking. Companies like Neuralink are turning that dream into reality, building bridges between the human brain and machines. This tech could restore movement to the paralyzed, record memories, or even upload thoughts. But here's the real question. When your mind connects to the internet, where do you end and the machine begin? That's not just innovation, that's evolution. 2. Digital humans and AI avatars. Digital humans are no longer lines of code. They are faces, voices, and emotions that feel real. By 2030, you might have an AI companion who knows your mood, your tone, even your silence. From customer service to personal connection, digital beings are blending into our social lives. But when your AI best friend feels more human than people, will we still value real connection? 3. Quantum computing. Quantum computing breaks every rule of logic we know. It doesn't process bits, it processes qubits, capable of infinite possibilities at once. With quantum speed, we can solve problems that would take supercomputers millions of years. Drug discovery, climate prediction, AI intelligence, all accelerated to near godlike computation. The only limit is our ability to understand what we've created. 4. Bioengineering and synthetic life. We've begun rewriting the code of life itself. With tools like CRISPR and synthetic biology, we are creating new species, new organs, and even editing the genes of future generations. We could cure disease or design the perfect human. But as we gain the power to engineer life, we must ask, who decides what perfect means? 5. The evolution of the metaverse. The metaverse isn't just about games or meetings. It's about living in a second reality where identity, creativity, and economy merge. By 2030, entire societies will exist in digital worlds with jobs, culture, and politics of their own. Will we escape reality or redefine it entirely? For the first time, our digital lives might feel more real than our physical ones. We stand on the edge of a new era where biology meets silicon and consciousness crosses into code. The next decade will blur every boundary we've ever known. The question isn't just what's coming, it's who we will become. Because the future isn't waiting for us. It's already here.